Okay, so we're doing the CO2 Rainbow, which is basically watching an acid-base reaction go down literally. Okay, so we have Fisher's universal indicator, which is a bunch of different indicators all mixed into one, like 7 or 8 different ones. And so we're going to start out with our base, which is sodium phosphate. Put some of this.
And hydrogen phosphate is an amphoteric substance, so it can react in an acid reaction and a base reaction, but because the Kb of the base reaction is larger than the Ka of the acid reaction, it will have an overall effect of making the solution basic.
Okay, and so we're going to add about 1,800 milliliters of water. So the water will be basic. And this is going to stir it up to dissolve in the sodium phosphate. So now we're going to add about 2 or 3 splashes of the indicator. So it's a dark green color, which on this case, so these are sodium phosphate is a weak base, so it's not like dark blue or anything, which would be a strong base. So to act as our acid, we're using dry ice, which is solid CO2.
So CO2 is a Lewis acid, meaning it accepts a pair of electrons from water. And as you can see in this reaction, the pair of electrons it accepts forms a single bond with the oxygen and the H2O. And one of the double bonds between the carbon and oxygen then moves to become a lone pair on the oxygen, which gives it a negative formal charge, and that attracts a proton from the previous H2O molecule to that more electronegative oxygen, thus forming carbonic acid.
Okay, so we're going to add a couple, about 3, see what happens, small pieces of dry ice. Okay, so another thing that the dry ice does is it acts as a stirrer, so we don't have to stir it because dry ice has a freezing point of negative 78.5 degrees Celsius, so it sublimes, it goes straight from being a solid to being gas. So as the CO2 dissolves and turns into a gas, really large bubbles form in the solution. Those bubbles are released through the top, and it's making this white smokiness because the bubbles are cold and the room temperature is hot to it, so it's basically condensing as it comes out of the top of the solution. And you can also see that the colors are changing to go more towards the acidic side of the pH scale. As it keeps going, it'll turn like yellow. It probably won't get to red because the carbonic acid is weak acid, and red is like a strong acid.
Okay, not more. right, so we'll let that go for a minute and just.